Right. First, you log into your system by giving your user credential, username and password. Then you will come to the main window on the MyOB. Then click your login, your user ID and the password, and OK. Then you are getting the MyOB opening window. From the opening window, already you create the company by given your registration number and created a new company. This company saved in your database. Click on open option. Then in the data folder, search your company from the available list. Only you have very few companies are available, not like my database. I have a large number of companies. So from the available list, select the correct company for the classroom practices. Available list. Where these databases in the data folder. Located in the data folder. Then select the correct company, click open. Again, the system asks your username and password. Give your username and password, click OK. Student, the time to time you are getting this window. Look at this window. The MyOB Premier License Renewal. If you are getting on this window in a different time, click enter later, click OK. The MyOB Premium only 22 more times without given this enter later detail, then opening the existing company. Your existing company name in here 2023, look at the correct name is there, 17B EX your number. Actually I didn't put the number, because of that commonly I created this company for the 17B EX group. The same company detail are in the down. Look at in here, in the down, 23 17B EX PRN type. The file type in the MyOB, the MyOB Premium PRN type. In the last week, we discussed about your general ledger designing part, and we designed your profit and loss account. In the profit and loss account means your comprehensive income statement. Click on here accounting section, accounts, account list. Click on account list. Then select your income. Completed on the income section. What are the main income available in this SAP Cricket Club? Equipment sale income, cricket lesson income, ground fees, repair and equipment hire income. And look at what are the cost of sales available, cost of goods sold, stock loss account, and trade account. Under the cost of service, cost of material accounts are there. Actually, in cost of goods, under the cost of goods, you can either prepare by the cost of goods sold or purchase account. Eh? This is like a headache. The head I mean like a main account, not sub account. Now look at what are the expenses available under the main expenses. Financial expenses are there, and general expenses, operating expenses, under the operating depreciation and amortization, wages and employment, like this. You can compare this detail with the tutorial provided by me. This detail under the financial expenses, general expenses, operating, under the depreciation, 5 depreciation and amortization account, the land and improvements are amortized and other assets are depreciated. Buildings, office furniture, storeroom and ground equipment, and other general expenses are there, and wages and employment expenses in the last section. And other income and other expenses. Under the other income, the interest income and discount received income. And the other expenses, uh, only we created the one expense for the income tax payment. Right. Now today we will start on asset section. Asset section. In the asset section, you have to compare with your tutorial. In this tutorial, right, your main cash on hand and cash and bank or something. Under the asset section 1, 2,700 cash on hand or cash and cash equivalent. Okay, or cash and bank. Right. Now, look at your cash on hand account in 2,700. Under the asset, 2,700. First, you create the new account for the cash and cash equivalent or cash and bank account. 2,700 the new account. Before that, you have to be compared the same account ID the given to the existing ledger account. Create on You have any internet issues? No, at the moment. Click on new account. Under the asset section, account code 2700. Cash on hand or cash and bank. Hello, internet issue එකක් එනවා වගේ. පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න. router එක internet issue එකක් එනවා. බලන්න router එක අරන් දෙන්න. Right. Under the asset section 2700, header account, cash and cash equivalent, or cash on bank account or something. Cash and cash equivalent. Get the subtotal when reporting, generating the subtotal. Okay. Cash and cash equivalent. Then under the 2700, 2720 Sampath Bank current account. Last week we renamed. Student, carefully you handle this integrated account. You can't delete this account. You can rename this account like header account. These are the look at it. Select on this account. Click on edit mode. Payroll check account integrated. Link account. Payroll check account. You can rename this account like Sampath Bank current account or Sampath Bank account like header account. Your main account. Your bank. Then additionally, you have a router password. If you have any internet connection, please log in by given this router password. Look at here. There's a two account in the Sampath Bank payroll account. Another account, general check account, your main current account. Student, you look at the screen. Main current account. And look at the tutorial 2710 Sampath Bank current account. 2710 Sampath Bank current account. Go to your system. Select here general check account. Integrated account. Integrated account. Select this account. Go to the edit mode. Edit. 2710. The system account ID change to the company the ledger account ID. Given our own ID. Change the name Sampath Bank current account. The earlier one payroll account. Sampath Bank current account. Look at the Sampath Bank current account. Detail check account. Postable detail check account. Okay. This account integrated with the customer collection and supplier payment. At this point, the collect as a collection account and payment account. If the customer pay in the money, increase your deposit. If you are issuing a check to the supplier, under the withdrawal, release your money. Click OK. Now OK. Under the cash and cash equivalent, Sampath Bank current account 2710 and 2720. Select this account, your payroll account, payment for your salary and all. In the down, look at here. This is a first level account and the second level account. This payroll accounts also go to the second level. Click on down option. Then arrange your account list. Okay. Undeposited fund account. Actually, undeposited fund means the temporary cash holding account. This undeposited fund account, also integrated account. Right? Undeposited fund account. Now go to your account list. Undeposited fund account in our company 2780. Go to the system, select this account, undeposited fund account, go to the edit mode. 2780. Like a check type, cash and check type, integrated to the undeposited fund account. Now look at it. From the non-current assets, this undeposited fund account and all current accounts are transferred to the correct location in the relevant place. Last one, electronic clearing account. This account is also not under non-current assets. No, the non-current asset means property, plant, and equipment, fixed assets. Then go to the tutorial again. Electronic clearing account 2790. Edit this account 2790. Electronic clearing account. Right. Now we clear the non-current assets and transfer all the current assets to the cash and cash equivalent category. Now, what are the other items? The voluntary withholding credit, tutorial. Under the withholding credits, two accounts, voluntarily withholding credit and actually ABN withholding credit not applied for the Sri Lankan context. The main account 2350. You study the way we change the position. 2350 in the main account. Withholding credit, header account. Click on edit. 2370. No? You refer tutorial 70. Take the photocopy of this tutorial 70. Withholding credit, header account. Header 50 there. W, look at the number. Yes, you are correct. 50. 50. header account with the subtotal. Click OK. Then under the withholding credit, the two account, voluntarily withholding credit, look at the number 2360. Edit 2360. Detail postable account. Look at here, unlinked account. Okay. Change the position. The last account, ABN withholding credit, 2370. Edit 70. Right. Now clear our non-current asset except our trade debtors. No? Except our trade debtors. Look at the trade debtors number. Trade debtors 2205 debtors. 2205. No? Edit 5. Link account, the track with the receivable. Okay. Change the number. Now we create the header account. Account receivable 2200 under the asset section 2200. New account, header type non-postable, asset, account number 2200. Get the subtotal, header account. Clear? Header account. Then click OK. Now correctly, we didn't give the name, no? Account receivable again. Go to the edit. The account name, account receivable, no? Yes, account receivable. Okay. Account receivable. Now correctly located, no? 1000, 2002. Here, change the position. Go to the down. If you want to click further down, click down again. Here also down. Further down. And ABN withholding in down. This is your accounting tree. Carefully you handle this account, especially your Sampath Bank current account, undeposited fund account, and the trade data account. Especially current account and the data account. Integrated account, no? Actually, we are not using by the electronic clearing account because no internet transaction, no. Undeposited fund we rarely use for the temporary account to collect from the cash customers and the other receipts. Payroll account used for the salary payment. And now fully cleared our balance sheet the header account. Now we develop the non-current assets. Right. Go to the tutorial. In the first section, 140 asset. Okay. 1000 non-current assets already we create. Then 1200 header account land improvements. Create new account. New asset type, account number 1200. Account name land improvement. This is a detailed account or header account? Header account. Getting on the subtotal. Both. Put the tick mark. Okay? Both on the tick mark. Subtotal and the header type. So then you have to come to the correct time. If you are coming on a little bit late, the student actually are confused. Right. Header account. Right. Look at here. First header account. Okay. Under the header account, to account, cost account, and accumulated amortization account. First one, 1210 land improvement at cost. New account, land improvement at cost. Land improvement at cost, detailed account. Detailed account. Unlinked detailed account. Look at the way, the unlinked account. Click OK. Under the land and improvement, the land improvement cost account. Then the amortization account. Accumulated amortization, land and improvement. 1220. New account 1220. Detail account. Detail account. Hello Farhan, join the class. Hanapan Goda, Infas. Right. Not responding by the online student. But anyway, Now, under the uh, non-current asset, the first asset, land improvement, under the land improvement cost and the amortization complete. The second asset, buildings, 1,300 building. New account, 1,300 building. Header type account. Get the subtotal. Header and subtotal. Right. Click OK. Create the second fixed asset by building. Look at header type. Compare by all. In the third column, link or unlink. Here, unlink account. Under the building, 3110 building and cost. New building cost. Postable detail account. Next, accumulated depreciation on building 1320. Building accumulated depreciation. Try to manage the number of characters in the cage. The maximum limits are there. You have to give the short abbreviation like ACC accumulated DP depreciation. You are accounting student? No? Okay. Right. Create the balance account. Office, furniture and equipment, cost account and accumulated. Storeroom equipment, cost account and accumulated depreciation. Ground equipment, cost and accumulated. Create this account. Right. This is your issue. Any other question? And under the diagram, you have to transfer this account to under the diagram. After the right side of the create all asset account and accumulated depreciation account. Okay. Right. Complete by all. Right. Right. Student, if you are missing the some classes, listen me. If you miss the some classes during that week, you log into this system at your home. This is available. This is online software no cloud no. By given this link and the username and password, log into this MyOB application and completed the various work. Whatever the work you are not completed during this class activity, in the free time you completed that one. Right. Now in the current assets, 2000 current assets. Look at your chart of account. 2000 current assets. Here not similar type account. Then create new account 2000 current assets. Header account getting on the subtotal. Current assets. Header account. 2000 in the current assets header account. What is the difference between detail account? Look at the three type no. Header type account means you can't post the transaction for the header account. Detail account means actual transaction can be posted. The detail check account means cash and cash equivalent type, bank type account. Right. Then under the current assets, the 2 or 3 assets are there. First one, Look at here. I create the differently. Look at the screen. First, I create the whole header account. 2100 inventory. Student, understand the way develop account tree. The easy method. First, I create this 2100. The already created by 2200 and voluntary withholding credit also created. Right. Create the first one. 2100 inventory account. Create 2100 new account. 2100 inventory. Inventory. Header account. Header account. Select header. With 2100. Account at level 4 may not be a section header. Look at the, we had any mistake in the account ID? And 2100. Look at here, 2100 account is there? Yes. Level 4 there. Because the system given some notifications to me, the level issues, no? Option 2100. This is not permitted to me create a header account. What is the reason on that? Okay, the level issue, account in tree issue. First, second level account, not in the fourth level account. Look at here, the notification given by the system. Now I change the position of the account. Under the inventory, 2105 general inventory. New 5 general inventory. Detail account, postable type. Okay. Then next one, demo inventory, 2110. New account, demo inventory. Both header, both detail account. Account receivable, data account create 2205. Look at here, your header account and the one detail account created. The next one, provision account. Provision for doubtful dates 2210. New 2210. Provision for doubtful dates. Provision for doubtful dates. Next. create the prepaid account, or already we complete the withholding credit, complete the prepaid expenses, VAT receivable, and deposit paid. Deposit paid. Actually, deposit paid mean advance payment to supplier. Your current assets. Select like down. Arrange your account set. This is your account set. Well, one shouldn't ask a question. Why we are creating the asset account and the accumulated account in the same place? Don't worry. If you are practicing on create first all asset account, then accumulated depreciation account, no matter. You design on that way in your project. Under the cash and cash equivalent, Sampath Bank current account okay, create the investment account, payroll account okay, the main cash account 2730 main cash and petty cash 2740 2740 petty cash. Complete the balance. Now you finalize your balance sheet. Now complicated area okay. Solve by the complicated things. Then what happens? I didn't print all it out. After week number 6, we will given you a mid exam based on this database. How we safeguard this information until to completed by your date, what you call the mid exam. The same databases, you have to be incorporate the paper, the new transaction. Right. Carefully you handle the integrated account student. Even in the exam, even in the student, you try to manage your software properly, because if somebody's are coming on the very rarely, try to understand. In the final exam, that particular students are doing a lot of unwanted things. You know that when I mark the papers during this weekend, I realized a lot of issues in the previous batches. If there's a one student log in by their cam number, one scenario, log in by their cam number, what the student did that after completed by, don't know whether completed or not, by the student in the database, the SAP campus asked to given the backup file. No? Unfortunately, the student submit the backup file by the system having a lot of detail. No? He or she submit the previous batch people backup file, 15B group. When I open the 16B or the 16D student backup file, the company name, look at it, company name here, 15B backup file. And also, you realize here, your backup file, the name is there. Another student did another thing. When I mark the paper, actually, we are very confused. When I mark the paper, I realized that one student, instead to given the backup file by final paper, he or she submit the backup file by this company. The final exam. Board student 0 mark. Because of that, student just after look at the, you know that you actually where first session started before 2 months ago, no? But we delay the batch because of the license issue, software license issue. We complete the examination on the 16B D weekend and all. Actually, I forgot the group name. Just after complete the lectures on the exams on this week, there are serial numbers given to you, license number. What happened here? You try to understand. Let's say, what's your name? Ruani. In my user credential passed to the Ruani, then the sub-campus unable to get the my backup file again. Because of that, at the present, Ruani held the same, actually not same databases, the different databases by getting the same license. The previous detail is this. Got this my point? So very carefully, you participate on these lectures continuously. You have to update. Don't worry. At any time, if you are with having a computers and the internet connections, you can log into the system by given the username and password with the link. Okay. You can create either different company like a testing company, like company created by your name, your organization name can. But until to week number 6 and 7, you have to be managed properly by this company given by 17B EX company. Because of that, I tell number of times the mid-exam paper given to the transaction to incorporate the transaction on this particular company and getting on the backup file. If you have not completed this question properly, the next mark. If you are given a drawn backup file, 0 mark. Pass this message to all group members. Understood? Right. Now, uh, we'll teach a different scenario. Look at it. Click on this account. Here, select the electronic clearing account. Select electronic clearing account. This is the link account or unlink account. Link account. Try to delete this account. Double click this account. Double click and open. Then open the source document. Understood? Go to the edit option. Cut, copy, paste, clear, delete. Click on delete. What the message? An account that is being used to a linked account may not be deleted. What's the logic? The link account we can't delete. At this point, click OK. OK. You select the another account. Select the petty cash account. Select the petty cash account. Double click and open. Go to the edit function. Delete function. Click delete. What happened? Accounts deleted. Again you create. How do you create? Right, you create again. Petty cash account. This is the way you delete the account. Link account you can delete. System block the user to delete this account. If you the purpose to provide the facility. Purposefully the system administrator or somebody delete the system, actually this will affect the any other account. Because of the internet account, again create the petty cash. The way of clear another account. Select list sleep. What happened with clear? Clearly detail actually like clear. Not delete. Clear home. Okay. No, don't worry. Just clear the detail. But here, inferior account can't keep. Right now, complete all assets. Go to the liability section. Under the liability section, 240's liability. Change the tab for liability. liability is there. Student, first you look at one or two integrated account. Trade creditor integrated account. First you look at your company. Just to imagine that this is your company ledger accounts. Scroll down, trade creditor 2200. By given this number, you edit. Here 2000. Edit 2200. Only we change the account ID number code. Okay. Last one. Payroll liability. Payroll liability. Where are the payroll liability? Under the payroll liability. Look at here. Here payroll liability header account also there. Don't be renamed by the header account. Payroll accounts payable accounts there. 2410 detail account. 2410. Select, edit 2410. Correct, no? Payroll liability, payroll accruals payable, payroll accruals payable, payroll accruals payable. Right. In the one location. Now select next one, GST collect account. Actually we change the GST account to what, no? Got this point? Turn to the tutorial. Look at here. Under the VAT liability, later we'll create that account. 2310 VAT collected. VAT collected. Edit both. 20. What's the number? Please tell me. 2310. What's the name? VAT collected, not GST. Done. Okay. Next one. VAT paid account renamed to the, what's the name, account number? VAT paid. Complete. Then create the header account. Header account in the VAT 2300 VAT liabilities. New account 2300 VAT liabilities. VAT liabilities. I did the wrong, no? Not setting like a header account. Header account subtotal. Can edit. What? VAT liability. VAT under the VAT liability, VAT collected and VAT paid. Here GST account is there. You can edit this account or to the any other header account. Look at here. Payroll liabilities. 2400. Edit this account. 2400. Edit. What's account name? Payroll liabilities. So payroll liabilities. Change my header account. Then what are other existing account? Voluntarily withholding not imported. Look at a student. This this unwanted account you can send to the last account in your list. Look at the way voluntarily withholding payable not applicable to your company. You can send this account like here. I send here edit, change the number 9,000. Look at it down. Then ABN edit 9,001. Then luxury tax 9,002. Edit 9,002. Last account. No confuse with the existing the account. Right. Then create the other account under liability 1,000 non-current liabilities. 1,000 non-current liabilities. New under the liability section number 2. Section number 2 1,000 non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities, header account and subtotal. This is the first account. Under the non-current liability is 1,100 bank loans. 1,100 1,100 bank loan. Detail account. Then other non-current liabilities 1,200. Other non-current liabilities. Then your current liability 2,000. Before create this account, look at the 2,000 account is there. Then overlap the account. In my case, no. 2,000. Current liabilities. Header account and subtotal. Then creditors come under the current liabilities. Then AP accruals and MasterCard paid by you. AP accrual and MasterCard. Create all other account under the payroll liability, pay withholding, EPF payable, customer deposit. Customer deposit come under the liability. This is our liability, no? Customer advance. complete the all liabilities until to the other current liabilities 2,900. First you carefully deal with the integrated account. Finalize the integrated account. Then no issues. Okay. Right. Yes. Srilankan content. Make a new region on Sri software. Right. Now, turn to the last section, uh, equity section. Uh, click on here, equity. Look at here, pre-integrated account, retained earnings. You know the retained earnings? Current earning mean for the this period earning. The historical mean the earnings mean before our opening balance. Right. Compare with this detail, retained earning, current year earning, historical earning. Not retail, retail. 8,000 in the retained earning. Select here 8,000 OK retained earning. Current earning here 9,000. Okay, correct. Historical earning by 9,990. Okay, no matter in our integrated account. So you have to be create the other account. What are the other account? 1,100 share capital or owner's equity. Yeah, here 1,000 account is there. No, 1,000 account. You have to be created under the equity shareholders equity. 1,000 new account shareholders equity. Header account. Subtotal. Okay. Shareholders equity. Under the shareholders equity, share capital or owners equity 1,100. 1,100 share capital. There is a no common rule for all the entities. Based on your business, your organization, that account will be different. Like the owner's capital, maybe a partner's capital, like this. Partners capital accounts, directors capital account, like this. Last one, uh, owners drawings 1,200. New account 1,200 drawings. Right. Now move to the down history account. Right. Now we finalize our full sets of accounts. Our ledger is complete, fully completed by ledger. Likewise, you have to be able to create your the project ledger account on that basis. Right. Now complete the uh, all ledger accounts. Uh, now we will move into the next section. Next section. Right. Very important section on accounts balance integration. Balance integration. Right. Now go to the setup option. Note it down. Setup option. Setup option. Link account option. Link account option. Student, okay? Click on first link account, accounts and banking. Look at here. The automatically integrated here equity account for historical balances, historical balance account. Check account for electronic payment, electronic clearing account. Undeposited fund credited to the or debited to the undeposited fund account. Okay. Next. Set up link account, sales link account. Select here. Second option, sales account. Sales account. Look at the double entry. Assets account for tracking receivable for your data account. Check for customer receipt for your main account now integrated to the Sampath Bank current account. Fine. Other integration are there. Select on here, I charge freight on sale. I charge freight on sales. Understand the meaning? When you do the sales, if you a company policy is to charge the freight on your customer, you have to be integrated this freight income with your income account. Click on this down arrow, then open your ledger account. Move to the income section. Income section. Freight account, sorry, under the income section, under the cost of sales, freight inward are there, but here freight income in the charging. Now, student, carefully look at the system. 1001, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I create the new account. You noted down your book or computer. 1600 under the section 4. Section 4, 1600. Note it down. Book. Freight income. Freight income. Here, new option. New. Click on new. Don't be confused. Select here income. Correct section income. 1600. New account name. Freight income. Or freight charges. Click OK. Got this point? Open the general ledger. Create new account by given a correct account code 1600. Then select from here a new account. Freight income. Look at here. freight income, freight income. Now use this account for new integration. Number 2, tick mark. I track deposit for collection from your customers. Look at here, liability account. Actually, your liability, no, customer advance payment, deposit payment. Click on here, select the liability section, customer deposit, customer deposits. Use account. Third one, I give discount for early settlement. Expense, look at here, expense account or cost of sales for discount. Both you can select. Either control account. Click on here, select your expense section now cost of sales. There are no discount account in the cost of sales. In the expense section, is there a discount account? In your case, discount account. No, I don't have a discount. Please tell the number. Discount account under the expense. Here, discount allowed account is there. Use this account. Right? Discount allowed. Use this account. Third integration, freight integration and deposit customer integration and discount integration. Last one, late charges. What do you mean by late charges? Like penalties. You charge from the customers late charges. Click on here, select your income account, late charges. Look at here, I don't have late charges. Again, I create a new account. 1,700 under the section 4. 1,700. New account. Section 4. Correctly select the section income. 1,700. Late charge income. Late charge income. Okay. Select on late charge income under the income section. Late charge income. Use this account. Now complete on this integration. If you want, you take the screenshot. Control, print screen, keep your mouse point here. Control, print screen. This screenshot attached to your Word document. One integration. Hello, Farhan. On the barn border, no one joined it today, no? And in class, right.